In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play gift card needs more information. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is a security protocol Google uses to verify that the card wasn't obtained through a scam or a secondary market. Because this is a hardware level or account level block, there is no secret code to bypass it. You have to provide documentation to prove you're the legitimate owner. So when you see this error, Google will usually provide a link to a form. If not, you can find the Google gift card appeal form in the Google Play Help Center. You're going to need to provide a clear photo of the back of the card, which is the serial number, not just a code that has to be visible as well. A clear photo of the store receipt as well. And also, finally, what you're going to have is the store name when the card was purchased and the city that you're located in. Then, the common reasons for this error is if you bought this card from a site like G2A or anything like that, Google often flags these as suspicious. And if you're trying to redeem a card from one country like the USA and your Google Play account or IP address is in another, that won't work as well. So just bear that in mind. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.